Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Excel quickly. To begin, focus on mastering fundamental functions such as SUM, average, and count. These are the building blocks for more complex tasks. Dedicate at least 30 minutes each day to hands-on practice, applying what you learn to practical scenarios. This consistent effort will solidify your understanding and build confidence rapidly. Next, dive into powerful functions that transform data analysis. VLOOKUP is crucial for finding specific information across different tables, saving you hours of manual searching. IF statements allow you to create dynamic spreadsheets that respond to various conditions. Furthermore, mastering pivot tables will enable you to quickly summarize and analyze large datasets, revealing key insights with just a few clicks. Consistent practice is the cornerstone of rapid learning. Challenge yourself with small, practical projects, like tracking personal expenses or managing a simple inventory. Try to recreate reports or dashboards you encounter, which forces you to apply various functions and formatting. Don't hesitate to ask for feedback on your work. Constructive criticism accelerates improvement and highlights areas for growth. To truly accelerate your Excel journey, incorporate advanced techniques. Memorize essential keyboard shortcuts to drastically speed up your workflow. For example, Ctrl+C for copy and Ctrl+V for paste. Investigate useful Excel add-ins and learn basic macro recording for automating repetitive tasks. Finally, engage with online forums and communities. They offer invaluable support and solutions to complex problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.